Hello, a very good morning to another named storm, unfortunately, making its way across the region today. Spells of heavy rain, lots of surface water and spray on the roads and increasingly strong, gusty winds, especially for Irish Sea coast and up on higher ground by the end of the day. It is going to be mild, but will feel pretty grotty for most. Take care. Hello, a very good morning to you. Wet and windy weather arriving here in the northwest already today, and we can see that quite clearly on the latest satellite and radar image. Some heavy pulses of rain, and it will continue to feed through across the region as we go through the next few hours. Beginning to improve by the end of this afternoon and into this evening in the far west, but then winds increasing in strength. So it will be a rather wet and increasingly gusty end to the day. 12 or 13 Celsius is mild for the time of year, but it's not going to feel very pleasant at all. And as we head into this evening, further heavy spells of rain for Cumbria in particular, where there's already been a lot of rainfall and there's likely to be further flooding for that part of the world. A wind warning in place across the whole of the northwest through tonight and into tomorrow. It will be very gusty, so large waves along our coastline and strong gusts up on higher ground. As we go through the night tonight, most of that rain tends to peter out and we're free from frost, so a much quieter start to the day tomorrow across the northwest of England and for the Isle of Man. Still those gusty winds to contend with, but largely dry conditions and some sunshine through the day tomorrow. Into the afternoon, it'll feel a little bit chillier than it has done of late, probably getting to around 9 or 10 Celsius. Bye-bye. And Storm Jocelyn has brought heavy rain and increasingly strong winds across the region today. I'll have all the details of what we can expect over the next few days later on in the programme. Thank you. A very good evening to you. The effects of Storm Jocelyn being felt across the northwest today. Winds increasing in strength into this evening. Rain will begin to ease off, however, overnight tonight, and tomorrow should be drier, with more rain to come for the northwest of England and the Isle of Man on Thursday. Now this is Storm Jocelyn moving away into tomorrow. Behind it, quieter conditions for the middle of the week, rain on Thursday, and then to end the working week, Friday should be largely dry with a little ridge of high pressure building in. Back to this evening's details. One or two further showers around, but generally turning a good deal drier. We're keeping an eye on Cumbria in particular, where flooding has been an issue and continues to be a real threat through tonight and the first part of tomorrow. Elsewhere, winds ramping up tonight. You'll probably hear it rattling around the houses. Some large waves along Irish Sea coasts and strong winds tonight and tomorrow on the region's higher routes. So do take care if you're travelling. A chillier start to the day tomorrow than this morning, and the sun will be up at 8:10, setting at around 4:37 tomorrow afternoon. On to tomorrow's details. It should generally be a dry start to the day with some brightness around through the course of the morning, a little bit of cloud building later on and remaining quite gusty, strong winds around and a cool feel to the day. Temperatures at around 9 or 10 Celsius at best tomorrow. Perhaps a dry start and a little bit chilly on Thursday, and then rain will move in later on in the day. That clears through. We have that long-awaited high pressure building in for Friday, giving us a nice end to the week, but it is going to turn a little colder again. Temperatures back down to around average for the time of year into this weekend. Take care.